Alright, hello. It's a shot of my bed because I have a new GoPro vest. And I also have this stick, which is lovely, but this is all about the Crunchyroll stuff I got from Black Friday or Cyber Monday. But, ayo. I got 4 Blu-rays and I also got a figure, so, ayo. I want to try that out. I tried collecting those. But, yeah, Blu-rays as well. Got a new game Season 1 and 2. I really do like this. I did like this when it came out. Lovely. Oh yeah, just Blu-ray and DVD. Nice. Alternate cover as well, but I don't really do those. The Girls and Panzer NCO OVB, Battle OVB, OVA. No? I don't think this one has an alternate cover. No, it doesn't. Soon I will be getting the actual Girls and Panzer DVD or Blu-ray. Girls and Panzer. I actually did the invitation, or alternate cover I should say. Panty and stocking. Then scanty and knee socks. That's the spine. And you know what? You can have the digital copies. I don't really care. I think it wasn't these ones, right? This one doesn't have it. That's crazy. This one definitely should have it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that sucks. There you go. It's very loose there. There you go. You want it? It's yours. Right. But yeah, this is what the disc look like. Just panty. And then stocking for disc 2. Still waiting, of course, for season 2, or basically new panty and stocking. I think that's what they're going with. But ayo. That's hopefully maybe mid 2024. Anyways, Akiba Strip. The animation. I did play one of the games in the series. I forgot which one. I don't know if it's the first one. But yeah. Basically strip enemies' clothes down. They can also strip your clothes down, but I think you get more powerful. The more clothes you get, the more naked you get, I guess you can say. I guess it's like kind of like Senran Kagura. Apparently they made Rosario Vampire too. That's crazy. That is one of the first animes I watched as well. But of course it was on YouTube because I didn't even know that was a thing. And I just saw it there like when I was 8. Anyways, there you go. Blu-ray 1, Blu-ray 2. It's just standard stuff. There's the alternate cover too. Boom. Oh yeah. There's also a particular image that I really do like, just from this anime alone. I don't know if I'll edit it into this video, but it'll probably be the thumbnail. Anyways. Oh god, this is all mixed up. I'll show the figure in a little bit. Alright, so here's the figure. It's a Nagatoro figure. I think it's 1/7 model, or scale, I should say. From Belfine. There you go. It is basically her wet school uniform slash school swimsuit form. There you go. Of course, it is cast off. My very first one, and I do like it with the swimsuit, of course. As you can see here. Yes. But taking off the clothes was kind of iffy. Her arms can come off, along with the clothes, shirt and skirt. And yeah, I just prefer looking like this. As you know, I just like her tan lines and stuff. Here she is. Adorable, lovely. Just fan servicey as well. I think it looks nice. I'm not really into figures like that, but yeah, it looks nice. And for my that's it for my Crunchyroll stuff. just for Blu-rays and a figure. There's also this that's just lying around. It's not part of the Crunchyroll thing, of course, because I don't know if you can see the image there. She's not naked, but she might as well be. But she's close to it, I should say. She's very close. And there's also this item. This is a Hot Wheels RLC car, Jaguar E-Type. I've been waiting for this to ship since, I'd say last Wednesday. It's a beautiful car, though this is like the second line that I wanted. First in line was, I think it was a Mercedes Gullwing, but before I could get that, it sold out, so I just opted for this. So yeah, very cool. And hopefully I can add more to my Blu-ray collection. Of course, not go broke over this. Same with the figures. Just want to get more of the series that I know. I don't know about like something like the Curious Trip, but Penny and Stocking, definitely. Girls and Panzer, definitely. I know there's figures of New Game, but the only one I know is a Hifumi, which should be this girl. I think that's the only figure I know of that exists in the New Game franchise. But yeah, don't know if I'm gonna get them. That's my Black Friday haul. Godspeed. Y'all take it easy.